And so today, we're excited to announce Mi Smart Band 6. Now, you might be asking yourself, why is this one step ahead? First, Mi Smart Band 6 is a step ahead because for the very first time in Mi Smart Band history, we are finally able to give you a full screen AMOLED display. In fact, this display is almost 50% bigger and is going to allow you to see more and do more. Personally, I'm definitely a dog person, but we didn't stop with just upgrading the display size. We also upgraded the display resolution. This is one of the highest resolutions available in the wearable band market right now. It's going to give you an even clearer view of your display than ever before. Mi Smart Band 6 is also available with 6 different colorful straps: black, blue, orange, yellow, olive, and ivory. Colors fit for any occasion. Another big upgrade for the band is that we added 19 new exercise modes to monitor. There's literally almost a sport for everyone here to choose from. Now, I've been testing the Mi Smart Band 6 for a few months now, and honestly, probably one of the most useful features is the auto fitness tracking modes. Mi Smart Band 6 can automatically detect 6 different exercises, like when you hit the elliptical after a long day at the office. No need to set up fitness tracking, just get moving. In fact, Mi Smart Band 6 auto detects 5 other exercises: outdoor running, walking, treadmill, cycling, and rowing. Now, many of you have been asking for this. Mi Smart Band 6 now features SpO2 blood oxygen monitoring. Your blood oxygen level is a measure of how much oxygen your red blood cells are carrying. And combined with many other tracking metrics on the band, you can provide yourself with a deeper insight into your overall wellness. Now, Mi Smart Band 6 is going to let you stay one step ahead with all of these new upgrades. A full screen, high-res AMOLED touch display that will let you see more and do more with less swiping. Finally, a step ahead in fitness and wellness with new exercise modes, SpO2, and sleep breathing tracking. Mi Smart Band 6, with major upgrades for you to be one step ahead in life, fitness, wellness, and more. Now available at only €44.99.